So Johan, the former Beast Blake, is at it again, attracting lots of criticism for saying he, Blake, felt overshadowed by the career of Usain Bolt, and that he, Blake, was prevented from racing against Bolt and possibly beating Bolt while they were training partners, and that it was his then coach, Glenn Mills, who stopped him from competing more against Bolt, which in effect kept him under Bolt's shadow. People attacking Blake for saying him should have said this and him should have said that and rate. But I have zero problem with what Blake is saying. No serious competitor is ever satisfied with being second best. Nothing is wrong with a man aspiring to and wanting to beat the best. I want to tell you, leading up to that 2011 World Championships in Daegu, reports out of the racers' camp was that Blake was pressuring and beating Bolt in training, and that is Fred, the big man, catch him Fred, and then infamously fall started at the World Championships. So nothing is wrong with the man thinking he could beat Bolt. What I blame Blake for is to stay at racers while all of this was happening. Under that vibe, he should have left the racers' camp and go establish himself as a full-fledged rival of Usain Bolt instead of staying under the shadow. Maverick, I stay under the shadow.